Most baby backpacks available in the market offer only limited storage space with no other functionality and lack design aesthetic. We wanted to create a convenient, functional, elegant, and stylish product that would help parents be the best version of themselves. Introducing Gilligro's 5-in-1 baby stylish and comfortable backpack that consists of a built-in high chair, diaper changing station, picnic or activity mat, napping spot, and storage compartments. On top of that, the elegant and sleek design allows you to maintain your style while ensuring you have everything you need for a whole day outing with your baby or toddler in one backpack. Gilligro Backpack's most unique features are the built-in portable high chair and the multi-purpose mat. In less than a minute, you can feed your loved one on a safe and clean Gilligro's built-in portable high chair. The large, detachable, and easy-to-wipe clean mat can be used for changing, napping, or playing. There is a large storage space for all the essentials for you and your little one. The magnetic top flap opens to a zipper compartment for your keys, wallet, and phone. The backpack features a hard plastic shell that could support your children's weight of up to 55 pounds. Mesh pockets on the inside allow for organized storage of extra clothes, blankets, toys, and books, while the pockets on the side are easily accessible for wipes and drinks. The ergonomic design allows you to remain comfortable, and it supports your calm, cool, and collected parenting style.